Yesterday I brought this willow plant I cut from my friend's willow tree. Let's see how they root. I'm trying to do different experiment. Let's see how many weeks or how many days it takes. So I'm going to do here in this big pot. I'm going to put in water, also in some soil. Let's see which roots and which don't. My mom is also helping. She's just sticking them into this big pot. So let's see how they go, and then we are going to try different way. I'm going to water them here, and they're here, and all of them. Yes, now it's here. I will check after some time. This is water. Right here. And then this is soil on this one, and I also put in the big one. Let's see, I try to put all of them small, big, and I will check after some time. Let's see. And same thing here, I tried in the soil, this one, almost 100%. All the roots you can see here, they came out. But also in the water also I forgot to water here. It's almost like no water now. But wow, all the roots, they're too much. Let me take it out. It's difficult to take out, but I'm trying. I might break some of them. Yeah, I did it almost. Yay! Here, but no water. So they're about to, if I don't water them, I'm going to transplant them in.
Yep.
Right, so these are the one I propagated in the water, black willow. So all, there are too many, the same pot, they're rooted very good. Here I am going to plant like 3 or 4 of them together, like this. Let's see. Oh wow, these are black willow. Looks like I forgot to put water, so some of them died, otherwise they would all survive. Okay, this is my third box, and this black willow, let me take out one and see how many root it has. Let me see. Let me take out this guy right here. And then
This guy.
let me take out, oh,
You got it.
so many root here. OMG. Let me show some root. And right there, that's wonderful. It has tons of roots. Wow. Let me stick again. Oh, not many roots, but still okay. Yeah.
Other
And
plants?
it didn't root out pretty well because I was not expecting any root here, not expecting too much root. So that's okay. Thank you, Sadhu.
I'm done?
Yeah.
Is that
right?
My 5-year-old daughter was shooting the video, so sorry for the quality and little sucking videos. And let me share some of the findings of this rooting experiment. I divided the cuttings into 4 categories. The big one I put into the big pot as I showed previously. Almost all of them rooted, and the medium size rooted most, which I put into water, and another one was in soil. So all of them rooted. Regarding the timeline, they started rooting after 1 week. I saw some roots, but I didn't take the videos at that time. After about 2 weeks, I saw many roots there. And then between 3 to 4 weeks, almost all of them had roots. Meaning, if they are big, chances are high, but not 100% success. But if they are too thin, too skinny, most likely they will not root. I forgot to put water. When I checked, the water was totally dried in the glass jar. But they were still green. I poured water and the green leaves started coming out and root again started growing. And same thing with soil. Soil was totally dry. As you might know, willow like lots of water. Then again, when I saw them bone dry, I poured water, and then almost the dead one also started becoming green. That was so fun. We enjoyed, my children and I enjoyed the process. They observed almost every day, like how the root developed. And all right, that was so fun, and I enjoyed a lot. Thank you for watching. I'll be sharing other similar stories. I propagate plant for ecological cause. If you are in Washington DC metro area, I will be happy to share. In fact, I would be happy to give this black willow plant for free. If you want to pick them up, please let me know. If you love plant, if you like this process, this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Namaste.